Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Click for Suchi, not Gucci. And you are watching this video just because I shopped a lot of products from Minisho. It is not a sponsored video, but I couldn't control myself after seeing all those pink stuffs there. Like, who doesn't love Minisho? I love Minisho, you love Minisho, everyone loves Minisho, and when we go there, we can't stop buying. Let's get started with the video. This is like everything in pink. Stuff is this. I have already used this, but look at this. This is so soft. This is so cute. Then I got this cute hair roll-ons. Like, just look at them. We have a small slippers. That also in pink color. Pink socks, guys. This comb. Like, this is so compact. You open it like this and just see. You have a mirror right here and a comb right here. Eyelash color in pink. See, it is really good. I have a bottle. Super cute. Opens like this. Super cute. I already used one bottle from this. These are like that travel container kind of. You can take moisturizer, oil, or a spray toner or sunscreen or anything. You can just put it in, and it comes with a pouch also. It cost pouch for so long. All my makeup was inside this and it is almost destroyed. I don't remember which bag it came with. So travel bag, so that my products, makeup, skincare and clothes are all organized. So it comes like this, okay. I have used this for carrying my clothes and undergarments and all. Two of like this. I think you have seen this in my Instagram reels. I have used it and shown you guys a lot of times. But so you can just hang it. This also I got. This is also super nice. See, it comes like this. And when we see, it's like this. But when I open it, it is like a bag. See, wait. So when I open it, it becomes a full bag. I was carrying all the skincare products. This so cute. Just see this. Having this pearl details here, and the color is like ombre shade, pink and white kind of. This mask is also in pink, and a hair mask in pink. This. So it is having this step 1, step 2 and step 3. To keep the brush and everything, like your toiletries in this. This cost baby, this is super cute. One. So I got a hand cream. My hands are always dry, so I got this hand cream, and it is also in pink, and it costed me around 200 rupees. And it a cute lock. And here I have makeup removing pads also I got like this. It is also 200 rupees. I guess in like pair of 3 pairs. And this is from Barbie Edition, and this is like a head massager. I had a head massager in yellow, but I broke it. I have been using it for 3 years I think, and now I have another one to massage my scalp while I shampoo. I can just hold it like this and like this, and I can just massage it. That is nail extension. These are like fake ones. This headphones, AirPods from Barbie Editions. Like, can you believe? I am not an AirPod kind of person, but the moment Ari saw this, she's like, see, you get an AirPod inside that vanity and you need to give this a try. Like, bro, get it. I was like, this is 2,000 rupees. I can get a lot of things. But he's like, no, you should get this. This is so good, so cute. So, like this we can open. Just see, wow. Like this, you can just keep it. And normally AirPods doesn't fit in my ears because my ears are quite weird. Not bad, maybe I can use it, but I lose it super soon, I feel, because smallest bag I have. I spend, but it is under 10,000 rupees. I think 10 or 11,000 I think I spent total overall. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye. See you in the next video.